Okay, very good afternoon, my dear students. How are you all? Okay, I hope you all are good. Welcome back to mathematics class. All of you on your videos and sit properly. Take out the textbook and running notes. Okay, in last class, I explained about telling time, about days of the week and months of the year. Okay, how many days in each month also I said. Today's class we will discuss about telling time only. Take out the textbook, everyone. Page number 87. In your textbook, page number 87. Okay, good afternoon, Kanishka. 9th unit, telling time. Okay, you know already days of the week and months of the year. In a week, 7 days are there, and in a year, 12 months are there. Okay, what is the name of months and days of the week also? You know very well. I think you learn also spellings with spellings also. I given homework. Okay, some are children send homework also. Okay, very good students. Next in your textbook, page number 87. Once you observe children, Maheshwaram Bharat, sit properly. Take out the textbook and sit properly. Move front first. Move front. Students, all of you on your videos, ma. Don't hide your videos. On your videos. Rajesh, Bodige, Rajesh, Bodige Harish. Akil, Bandela Akil. Charan Teja and Nehmatullah. Bodige Harish. On your videos. And I think here, Rapol Bharat. Rapol Bharat, your math pay notes. I have your math pay notes. You collect your pay notes. Okay? You come to school and you collect your pay notes. My next EVS, what you are saying, boy? Unmute yourself and say. Unmute yourself.
When you come in school.
When you come in school, teacher?
Okay, today or tomorrow. Today. You today come to school and you take your pay notes. Did you collect your worksheet second worksheet? Up to evening.
Which time?
Up to evening. Up to 5 o'clock. Did you collect your second worksheet?
Okay.
No.
Did you collect your second worksheet?
No.
Why? You come to school and take your second worksheet also. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, very good. Very good, Bharat. Good. Okay. Now in your textbook, page number 87. Once is there, once you observe children, match the following is there. Okay, here match the important days and the events. Match the important dates and events. Bharat comes here. Events. Your match the following given in your textbook is there. I am writing on board once you read children. First, here A column and B column. Next, first one is 14th November. 14th November. Next, 5th September. 5th September. Next, 7th December. Next, 2nd October. Next, 14th April. 14th April. Yes. 15th August. 15th August. Next, 26th January. Okay, here events. Here dates given. Okay, months and dates given. Here given events. Over members sit properly and listen. Independence Day. A1 Independence Day. Next B1 Ambedkar's Day. Children's Day. Ambedkar's Day. Next one Children's Day. Republic Day. Flag Day. Teachers Day. Next one, last one is Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, this is the match the following given children. See once. 14th November. First one is 14th November is Children's Day. Children's Day. First one to C1. Match it. Next, second one is 5th September. 5th September. When we are celebrated 5th September? Teachers Day. That is F1. Next one, 7th December. What is the specialty of 7th December? Flag Day. Okay. Okay, next is 7th December. What is the specialty of 7th December? Flag Day. Even. Okay, next is 2nd October. Okay, that is Gandhi Jayanti. We are celebrating in our school also. Okay, Gandhi Jayanti. G1. Next, 14th April. 14th April is Ambedkar's Jayanti. 14th April is Ambedkar's Jayanti. Next, 5th one to B. Next, 6th one, 15th August. 15th August is Independence Day. Okay, 15th August. Independence Day. A1. Next, 7th one, 26th January. That is Republic Day. Tomorrow only. Yes? Yes. What is the specialty of tomorrow? 26th January. Republic Day. Okay? Complete this one. Okay. Did you complete Amma? In your textbook? Okay, very good students. Okay, next one. In that page only. Once I am reading, once you listen. Find out on which day of the following dates fell in the year 2001 by looking at the calendar given below. Here 2001. This is 2021. Yes, this year 2021. Okay. This calendar is 2001 calendar. 2001. Okay, back 20 years. 2001 calendar. This 2001 calendar here given January, February, March, April, May, June, July. See here, observe. 12 months. 12 months are there here. Once you observe here. Okay. In this one, here given some days. These days you find out in this calendar. Okay. In this calendar you find out these days. What these days? Just you encircle. You have to do encircle in your textbook only. Okay. Here dates 26th January. Muzamil, move that side. Go. Don't touch. Yeah, 26th January. 26th January, in January month in here given calendar, in January month 26th date, in which day will come? In which day is there? Sunday or Monday or Tuesday, Wednesday or Thursday? Very good. Friday? Yes. Friday 26th is there now. So you encircle the date. Friday, not Friday, 26th number. 26th date. You have to encircle in your textbook like this in January 26th given. Na? So here 26th. Okay. Did you observe children? Okay. Next is 2nd October. Same as it is, you have to see in October month of 2001 calendar. Here October month. See once October month. Second date. On which day is there? October 2nd. On which day is there? Second only boy, but on which day? Yes, very good. Tuesday. Yes, on 2nd you have to encircle. Round up. Just you have to tick. Round up do boy. Next 14th November. Same. Next month. October. After October. Next month November is there. In that month you have to find out the 14th November. 14th date. 14th date Monday is there. Wednesday is there. Not Monday. Wednesday. Okay. Wednesday. Next 19th November. In that month only 19th date you have to encircle. That is Monday. Okay. 14th November is Wednesday. Next 19th November is Monday. Next 30th January. 30th. Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday. Very good. 30th January. First month. In this calendar only children, in your textbook only. Don't confuse. Okay. Here 2001 calendar is there. Here given months. You have to find out these dates only. Next 15th August. 15th August. In August month. You have to see in August month 15th date. Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday. To 15th number you have to encircle. Okay. Did you complete them up? If you have any doubt, ask me. If you have any doubt, you raise your hand in your mobile. I will clarify your doubt. Okay, Praneeth Reddy. What is your doubt, Praneeth? Where are you, Praneeth? Do you have doubt? Okay, unmute yourself.
No doubt, teacher. Made teacher.
Pranit. Okay. Okay, students. On your videos, Nehmatullah, Charan Tej, Krishna Samira, Vicky, Kamampati, Umesh. On your videos, don't hide your videos, children. Chendu. Chaman, you go outside now. On your videos. Okay. Next from telling type, some important ones I will say, children. Listen to me. Take out the notebook. Running notes. These one, write and learn, children. Okay, what I am saying now, these one, write in your notebook and note down in your notebook and learn, children. One week equal how many days? 7 days. 1 week equals 7 days. Next, 1 month equal 30 or 31 days. 31 or 30 days. Next, 1 year equal 365 or 366 days. Next, leap year. Leap year has 366 days. Leap year has 366 days. Next, February has 28 or 29 days. In leap year, February has 29 days. In general year, February has 28 days. February has 28 or 29 days. Next, 1 year equal to 12 months. 1 year equal to 12 months. Next, 1 hour equal 60 minutes. 1 hour equal 60 minutes. Next, 1 minute equal 60 seconds. 60 seconds. Next, 1 hour equal 60 into 60, 3,600 seconds. 3,600 seconds. Next, 1 day equal 24 hours. 1 day equal 24 hours. Come sit here, boy, first you. Mahichan, come sit here. Get up from there first. Come here and write fast. Okay, 1 hour equals 60 minutes. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. 1 hour equals 60 into 60. 3600 seconds. 1 day equal to 24 hours. Okay, 24 hours. Isaiah Rish. Time measured in hours. Hours. That is short form is HR. Next, minutes. That is M or MIN, minutes and seconds. Seconds. That is short form is SVC. Seconds. Okay. Time we are measured in hours, minutes and seconds. Okay. Hours, minutes and seconds. Sitama. Don't make noise, children. Second class children. Doubt Kanishka. Okay. Next, about time. Next, about clock, how to see time and how to write time. These one in I show with the clock. In tomorrow class, I will explain like that. Okay. Tomorrow class, I show with clock. What is time? How can we measure time? How can we see time? How can we say time? How hours hand? What is our hand? What is minute hand? What is seconds hand? I will show in tomorrow class. Okay. Today just these are introduction of telling time only. These one first you have to learn. Okay. These are have to learn first. Kanishka, what is your doubt? Shashank, what is your doubt? Kanishka, unmute yourself.
సుధాకర్ ఆట పట్టిస్తాడు వాడు బుద్ధి వీడి మీద కేసు పెట్టి పంపిస్తాడు నా మనీ తీసుకున్నాడు
Kanishka. Kanishka, what is your doubt?
Leap year means what, teacher?
Leap year every 4 years. 4 years. 1 year having leap year. Every 4 years, 1 year having leap year. In that leap year, February has 29 days. In February has 29 days. So that year is called leap year. 1 day extra will come.
Okay, teacher.
Okay? That year is called leap year. In that year, February has 29 days. So in that year has 366 days every 4 years. 2020 leap year. It's 2024. 24 also.
Understand, teacher.
Next session. What is your doubt?
Today homework what, teacher?
When I am conclude the class, then I will say what is your homework. Okay, I am not concluding. Last moment I will say what is your homework. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. First, 1 week equal to 7 days. Next, 1 month equal 30 or 31 days. Some months are having 30 days and some months are having 31 days. Next, 1 year has 365 or 366 days. But in leap year has 366 days. In leap year, February has 29 days. But regular year has 28 days only. Next, 1 year has 12 months. 1 year has, in 1 year, 12 months are there. The month's names and days names are already in previous class I said. Next, time measured in hours, minutes. What is the time now? 11 o'clock or 1 o'clock, 1 hour 30 minutes. Like that we are saying. Okay. So time we are measured in hours, minutes and seconds. Next, 1 hour. 1 hour equal how many minutes? 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Next, 1 hour. 1 hour equal to how many seconds? 1 hour equal to 3600 seconds or 3600 seconds. Next, one day. In one day, how many hours having? 24 hours. Okay. First morning, midnight to 12 o'clock. Next, from 12 o'clock, afternoon 12 o'clock to midnight 12 o'clock. 12 plus 12, total 24 hours. One day equal to 24 hours. This one first you have to learn it. Anybody have worksheet? Second worksheet. Okay, in tomorrow class, I will show with clock. How can we say time and how can we write time? Next. Now I am going to explain worksheet, children. Day 1. Take out the worksheet and see, children. Day 1. Given about abacus. Already you know. In previous worksheet you did already. See the abacus sign. Write the number name. And see the number name. On abacus you have to draw beads. Next one is second bit. Write before number and after number and between number. Between number and number name also. Okay, not only number name also write, children. Next, day 2. In day 2, addition given. Addition first bit and second bit is subtraction. That is 2-digit number and 3-digit number only given. You know very well how to do addition and subtraction to complete, children. And multiplication. Third bit is multiplication. Next, day 3. In day 3, just ordinal numbers given. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th. These are ordinal numbers. Okay? Write these one. Monday is the second day and Tuesday is the third day of the week and Thursday is the fifth day. Fifth, F-I-F-T-H. Like that. Next, day 4. In day 4, divisions given. Already you know very well how to do division. Do division, children. And next, greater than and less than symbols. How to use greater than and less than and equal to. These one complete amount. Up to day 4. Next, day 5 in tomorrow class I will say. Okay. Up to day 4 you complete and you send pics to me. Okay. If you have any doubt, personally you call me. Because already mathematics class time completed. Okay. I'm going to conclude this class. Okay, I hope you understand this class, children. Okay, thank you everyone.